Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about stray animal. Why I'm going to talk about this? Because actually this topic relates to me. I really care about animals because I'm a animal lover. So there are lots of cow, ox and dogs are wandering here and there on the road. They are struggling with hunger and they are searching for a love. But we do not like to take care of them. So I thought I should talk about that stray animal. So let's talk about their pain, their struggle, how can they survive, and how we human can change their life. So my friend, people actually left cow and ox when they stop giving milk, and ox when they become unproductive. So it's like a profit system. If they like profit in the cow, they actually take care of that cow. If they think that cow stop giving milk, so they leave that cow on the road. So that is not a good thing and good thinking. And you people also abandoned dogs when they fall sick, and the owner of the dog, they lose the interest to keep them. So I have noticed that cow and animal, that cow, stray cow and ox, they are eating plastic from the garbage. They are eating rotten vegetables and so many dirty things. Why they are eating them? Because it's their compulsion. If they are hunger, if they feel hungry, so they whatever whatever is in front of them, they actually start taking that food. So we should think about this, because when they actually eat plastic, that plastic that plastic go in their stomach and cause serious problem like stomach pain and other health issue. So the thing is that we human, why we human do not care stray animal? Because we human are meaningful. When they stop giving milk, we leave them. When ox become unproductive, we also leave them. But in the case of buffalo, we always rear buffalo, we always keep a buffalo, take care of buffalo in our cattle house. Because buffalo give milk, and the another thing is that if buffalo gives birth male calf, then actually that male calf is sold to the other person who cut them and make some stuff from their skin. So that's the thing. We think that it's it's also our we can say karma, because if we sell our buffalo male calf to those person who cut them and make some productive thing, so like some stuff from their skin, leather. So I think we are also responsible for that. So we should, I, I think this time every humans are after money. So we think that, why I'm saying that, because I go to market, I go to vegetable shop, and I also help to that shopkeeper to arrange vegetables in a proper way, okay, and I also uh, make the that also make that shop tidy. So that time I I separate some rotten vegetables in one crate. So after that, shopkeeper, he actually he actually put that crate into that stray animal. So they come and eat that rotten vegetable. So that's not a good thing. But every human says that it's our compulsion. Okay, because they think if animal are not productive, so there is no mean to keep, no mean to care them and keep them in our home, because we don't have time for them to feed them, to bring grass for them. If I talk about, then little bit, it's also right, because these days expense are increasing day by day. So that's the thing. Every it's very important to earn money, and people actually do not have time to bring grass. Some people have very small land. Some people have big land, but they don't want to work hard. So there are so many issues, so many problems. Okay, but after all, only human is responsible for this, because if human wants, then they human can take care of stray animal, and human can do anything. And this time government also do not government also do not take some serious step to take care of that stray animal. Governments also shelter to those animal like a cow and some ox, but not everyone, because government always face the feed problem. Yeah, how from where they actually bring the grass, okay, and government also give the aid to that uh, caretaker who is in shelter, but they are also greedy person. Some person are very greedy. So if government actually give 15,000 in a month to take care of that stray animal in a shelter, then they actually spend only 20,000 on the feed of the stray animal, and they actually 30,000 they engulfs that 30,000 for their family, for their self. So that is the big problem. So my friend, if you think we should raise our voice to save that stray animal, because why I'm saying that, because there are so many stray animal they actually injured because of accident. Some people, they actually hit them with their car, you can say bus, a truck, but they do not care. After hitting them, they run away. They do not care of them. So that is a big problem. So I think we should think about this and raise our voice and reach our voice to the government, that government can take a serious step about that stray animal and give the shelter to that stray animal. So thanks for watching. We will talk in next video on some different topic.